So good day, my name is Kaiwan. So today I will presenting my research proposal title, which is Green Procurement as a Driven of Sustainable Innovation and Technological Progress in the Malaysian Manufacturing Sectors. First, provide an overview of the broadest context that motivated this research. So manufacturing firms worldwide are facing an increasing pressure to operate sustainably while remaining competitive. Climate change, supply chain disruption, and rising stakeholder expectation have pushed the company towards the sustainability driver strategy. So in Malaysia, major national policies such as Industry 4WRD, the Green Technology Master Plan 2030, and NIMP 2030 emphasize the digitalization and green industrial transformation. However, many Malaysian manufacturers still treat sustainability as a compliance obligation rather than an opportunity for innovation. This highlights a key gap, which is understanding how the green procurement can drive technology progress, not just environmental performance. So let me move on to the specific research problem addressed in this study. Although the green procurement practice have become increasingly common, their actual impact on innovation and technological progress in the Malaysian manufacturing sector are remain unclear. So this will lead to the central research problem of the study, which is how do green supplier selection, green product specification, environmental auditing, and supplier environmental collaboration influence the sustainable innovation and technological progress within the Malaysian manufacturing firm. So addressing this gap is crucial for the firm seeking to integrate sustainability with a long-term technological competitiveness. So the overreaching objective is to examine how the green procurement drive a sustainable innovation and technological progress. So to support this, the study includes 6 specific objectives, which is assessing the effect of green supplier selection, green product specification, environmental auditing, supplier environmental collaboration, as well as examining the mediating role of the organizational learning capability and also the moderating role of digital procurement system. So these objectives shape the hypothesis within the study conception framework. So this study adopts 3 theoretical perspectives. First, which is the resource-based view, suggests that green procurement practice can function as a valuable strategy resources. And for second, which is the dynamic capability theory, highlight the importance of organizational learning capability, which enable the firm to transform environmental knowledge into innovative outcome. And for third is the knowledge-based view, which emphasize the role of digital procurement system in enhancing information integration and decision making. So together, this theory established the mechanism that underpin the study. Green procurement provide the resources, organizational learning transform them, and digital procurement strengthens the pathway toward the innovations outcome. The literature show an evolutions over time. Early study tended to focus on environmental compliance and cost reduction. Later, research emphasized practice such as an eco-design, suppliers collaborations, and environmental auditings as contributors to cleaner production. So more recent studies highlight the importance of digitalization and organization capability in enhancing the impact of sustainability initiatives. However, very few studies combine all 4 green procurement dimensions with a learning capability and digital system, especially in Malaysia. So this gap indicates the needs for a more comprehensive and mature mechanism-based analysis, which this study aims to provide. The conception framework used in this study position the 4 green procurement practice, which is green supplier selection, green product specification, environmental auditing, and also supplier environmental collaboration. So as the independent variable influencing sustainable innovation and technological progress. Organizational learning capability is introduced as a mediator that transforms environmental knowledge into innovation, and digital procurement system act as a moderator that strengthen the procurement innovation relationship. So this framework reflects both the theoretical rationale and the expected causal pathway in the study. So this study used a quantitative cross-sectional deductive research design. Data will be collected from 250 to 300 Malaysian manufacturing firms, focusing on medium and large firms registered under the Federation of Malaysian Manufacturers. Respondents will include procurement manager, sustainability officer, operation manager, and supply chain executive who are knowledgeable about their organization procurement and innovation practice. A structured online questionnaire using like a skill item will be used for the data collection. For data analysis will be conducted using PLS-SEM via Smart PLS4. The measurement model will assess reliability and validity through metrics such as the composite reliability, average variance extracted, and the HDMT ratio. The structural model will test the direct effect, mediation, and moderating using the bootstrapping with 5,000 resample. Diagnostic measures such as the VIF, R-square, Q-square, and SRMR will be used to evaluate the model fit and predictive accuracy. Ethical principles, including the anonymity, confidentiality, informed consent, and compliance with the Malaysia PDPA, will be strictly followed throughout the process. So this research advanced the RBT, DCT, and KBV by demonstrating how the green procurement translates into innovation through organizational learning and digitalization mechanism. For policymakers, the study support Malaysia NIMP 2030 and Industry 4WRD goals by offering insight into how the sustainable procurement can enhance the national innovation capacity. So for industry, the study highlights which procurement practice most effectively strengthen competitiveness, helping the firm align sustainability strategy with technological advance. So in conclusion, this research provides a mechanism-based understanding of how green procurement can drive sustainable innovation and technological advancement within the Malaysian manufacturing sector. So the finding aim to contribute both academically and practically to Malaysia's transition towards a more innovative and sustainable industry future. Thank you for listening.